valve, and I'm here to show you some of our advanced machining process. A lot of times we run into unique problems here. The fact that nobody makes equipment that we need to manufacture our product. So in this case, we had a couple of our guys, Jim Price and Frank Miller, went through and designed and built this special assembly machine for us to do our product. And as these go through the steps, you can see that the workers can stand at their stations and they are presented with the product, and at various steps they are adding pieces to it. It goes around the speedway here and then gets tested as well. So this would be the first step in the process. And he's just throwing in the balls of the ball valves. And then they'll put the seats in, get it rough assembled, and they put it into the fixture. So here it's tightening the gland onto the body and into the stem. So you can see here she's going ahead and putting the handles on, and you can see here this is actually a torque controlled unit. So all these things have to be assembled at a specific torque, and this is keeping track of that. And it's torquing it right here. You can watch it applying some sealant in this station, and right next to it actually applying the torque that's going to join the two halves of the valve body together. The torque isn't enough, it's either not going to seal or it's going to fall apart. If the torque's too much, obviously we're going to cause damage. So yeah, this station here, we're actually doing two valves at once. It's going to open the valves, it's going to put air pressure inside them, it's going to close the valves, and it's testing the valves at the same time. So it'll test the pressure differential between one side and the other side, and it'll tell us if there's a leak. And if there is a leak in any of the valves, it'll pop them out over here. And this is probably after a while of running, we got a couple here. And what we'll do then is we'll rebuild them. We'll take them apart, see what was wrong, and see if we can rebuild them. We test and inspect 100% of our valves here. So if the product's going out the door, it has been tested. So on the other side of the machine, you saw it testing the seats. So it was actually testing when the valve is closed, whether or not anything can get through it. On this side, we're actually testing the actual shell of the valve. So on this side, it has an open way through the ball, and it's just pressurizing the entire valve and making sure that we don't get air leaks outside of the valve. And you can see as you work your way around here, as the valves go around the wheel, or around the speedway, now they're adding the final trim components to the valve, boxing it, and palleting it, and it's ready to get shipped to our warehouse. I'm Andre with Hammond Valve, and it's been a pleasure showing you some of our machining processes today.